Alright guys, this is the changing table for Salem's bedroom. This is the Gulliver changing table from Ikea. It's a really simple changing table. I paid $100 for it, Canadian. Huh? It's supposed to be white. Maybe just a little white. Because of this picture.
No, this is
off-white?
Yeah.
Okay, turn it. Let me see the front of it. That's white.
It is.
The inside's not white.
It whole thing look the same color to me. Why would they?
I don't care. Organize my stuff. 16 of those. Very googly woogly.
You shouldn't do it on the carpet. You should do it on.
You're supposed to do it on the carpet.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought your ninja head was the same as mine, but it isn't.
No, we didn't have. You have the other one, the cookie one. Okay.
You're not supposed to glue it?
Glue it? No. Ow. Ow, ow.
One in and one out? Is that how it's supposed to be?
What do you mean?
I'm not seeing right. Because it's more, yeah. You want the mallet?
No, you have to use that on these for the break on you. Yeah, this is the top piece.
You need help?
Yeah.
Get back up.
No, because this has to fit into the ledge, so this might be right now. Bring the other piece.
Okay, well, this isn't all the way. This is
not still?
No, like there's. I don't think you're supposed to be. Yeah. And because you're doing it on the floor too, it doesn't. There's a give there.
Yeah, that's why they say to build it on the carpet.
Okay, turn it the other way. Turn it the other way. And put pressure on this side. Even that side isn't quite in.
See, this is not in still. That's why it's acting like this.
Then put, yeah, that's what I was just going to suggest. That's why. It went in somewhat. But that hurts. Yeah, there it is.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, then come fix this side. This bottom corner still needs to be pushed in. There. You just got it. No, could use a little bit more. Maybe you should get the mallets.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, well we're banging it anyway. Have a good day at work.
The room better be finished when I get back.
Babe, go to work and leave me alone. Okay, Mom. Why are you sitting over there in the corner?
You tell me what you want me to do.
What do you mean? You're supposed to be helping me build this. What are you talking about?
Don't talk to me like me a Jacob.
Listen, lady. What did you say? Yeah, keep your mouth over there. Okay. And now we have to do
So put this aside?
Yeah.
You should have put the garbage in the car now.
I told him to do it from the
And when you come home and just stop there and drop it off.
Babe? Shit, I fucking hate him. It's not funny.
It is. And you don't need me anymore. I'm not wait till then come home.
I think you need to. I'm not sure. I need
One of those?
yeah. Longer ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry.
Did it tell you that you have to do it on the...
Yes, maybe I'm making stuff up.
Yeah.
No, you have to do it on the carpet because if you do it on the floor,
It'll crack it. But which way?
This way. This is the bottom.
The thinner part is the bottom. It's like... Push.
It's not in.
Just push this side. Looks like it's in. Yeah.
There. Wait. Pull that up.
How? My teeth? You know how no.
Yeah, your teeth.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Because it can only go so far.
Yes.
And it should, the other ones probably should have gone down that far too. Yeah. Let me do it.
We have the mallet now. You're gonna break the things. And I bought it a long time ago, so there's no refund. Oh.
No, you're going like you're big fixing.
Okay, Mom. Please. Please. Here, get
Put it
rid
on
of
the
it.
wall.
Don't scratch my things. Okay. Same thing. Here, grab a little peg. Put the peg in the hole.
You know why I only went to one parent-teacher crafts thing with you.
What are you talking about?
I did.
You mean field trip?
Field trip.
Yeah, you came to what's that place called?
We did a mask together, right?
That ugly thing.
If we never come here, still I cry about it, and you still I cry about it.
I forgot what that place is called, but it was in the forest.
Oh, Black Creek.
No, you're talking about Petticoat Creek, and that's a swimming place. Oh, careful. I hear it cracking. Listen, Ikea stuff, it's for appeal.
It's for what?
Appeal. You can't be too rough with it. Oh, it's on.
I don't know what you're hammering, because I no set on a long time.
Okay, Mom. Yeah, you have some WhatsApps to check. I don't know where they're from. I didn't check. Because you know what I know how to do?
Ignore people.
Mind my own business.
Right. Until you go on the road.
What are you talking about? What do you mean I was like go on the road?
Good. This one, the heavy except here and here.
Oh yeah, it's my end, right? There. That's in. It's in.
The first one took so long.
Because we don't know what the hell we're doing.
We?
Mom? Beg you.
Yeah, we're gonna look for somebody to pass out your crosses.
Crosses? Really?
You should have make sure you like
It was what?
now you can top it with it.
tell you, you can, what, oh.
What?
This is the top piece, I think. That's the piece that's supposed to go into that. Fall hazard.
Why? What does it matter? They're the same.
I don't think they are. Are they the same?
Yeah. In terms of this?
See, no, hold on. I was wondering, because this one, I am not taking this apart. Because this one had this thing on it. And I was like, that's why I was trying to see if they were all the same.
That's why it was so hard. Took so
But they're all the same size.
Yeah.
And they all the same thickness.
Yeah.
So maybe that's just to be a warning thing. You're not supposed to. They could have at least put the freaking words on there, some scribbles, so I know what the hell I'm looking for. Knock it and see if it's.
It's all the same. It's all the same width of thing underneath.
Well, of course they're the same width. Oh, you mean
thickness? Yeah.
To prevent serious injury or death, always keep child within arm's reach. Yeah, but then you would never see this because you would put the mat on top. So I'm confused.
No, I don't think I.
Let me see that one.
This one?
Yeah. Once you put. No, it's the same. Okay. Whatever.
My only question is why the edges are. Oh, never mind. I don't have a question. I see why.
So now
We must quit if the glove don't fit. Quit if the glove don't fit. O.J. Simpson. You
I
never heard
know what you're talking about. Well, I'm wondering why you're saying that. The glove must have fit you.
that? It's my withdrawal sentence from
Forensic files?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now we must dash peg in a thing.
here.
These fatter pegs, we must put them.
In those.
No, not in those, in these, in the sides of these. So grab the
You need
other
fat
one.
one and little one.
Grab that one.
Oh, I put the pegs in there?
Yeah.
Is that what you tell me to do? Where?
There's 6 pegs, the big ones.
Here,
Yeah,
there.
6.
Okay. Well, so of course there's a fat peg that's supposed to go there.
No, because it's
Oh, it's a screw.
Yeah. So there and there. And on the other side. Yeah, that makes sense because there's 3 of these. So all of the. They stop there.
Listen to you, the fat pegs.
Well, what do you want me to call them?
More people are going to have complex.
They're not human. They can't hear me.
Don't you know everything have feeling?
Then they better turn them off.
Rick couldn't believe you give him $50. He's like,
I know. His price is so low.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was reaching for a change.
I thought so.
So I told
too.
Jacob to give him 45, so I guess that's why Jacob gave him 50. So now we must tack this.
So what's the
You're
little balls
above
for?
it. What's the what?
The little balls for?
The screws.
Okay.
And then the next one.
What are these for? Before you do everything
What?
up here.
Probably those.
Okay.
A guard.
That's what I thought this was.
That's what I thought that was too, but maybe not. But that's the next step, then we can. But they might want us to put on the.
Yeah,
they want us to put those on before we
Put it on
continue.
here.
Yeah. They want us to put these
Yeah.
on the next page. It's there. These go up here with the pegs. One thing at a time. Let's screw this on. There's only one tool, so.
They go here like that?
Yeah.
So we can do that. Let's flip it on the head. Could we do it that way? See, that's why, yeah.
You know, you just have to lean it upwards like this. It's on my foot, but this side is coming
totally out.
Yeah.
No, put it back down on the floor. I don't know if they thought of. Flip it. Flip it over to you. Move.
Hell, the screws are in there. You're gonna break them in.
No.
The screws are in the bottom.
I know there are.
So what are you trying to flip? What are you trying to flip it to? I'm confused by that.
But leave the screw in there. I was gonna. Okay, never mind. Move your foot. Because I don't know how we're supposed to do this because it's practically impossible. This is what I'm saying. Look, it's come apart up there.
Okay, but
this needs to be flipped somehow. Am I doing it right? I bet all my man do this. They know how no sense.
oh my gosh.
Seriously. It's gonna.
So then put this freaking pegs, put this on it. Because I don't know why they tell us, oh well, we'll put it on and then we'll take it back off.
Why?
No, like just, we're not screwing it on. We have to put the little freaking bars on first. So I'm just saying to give it, sit it on there so it has the support. And then...
They made this impossible. I'm sure there's a bloody easier way to do this.
They're Germans. Nothing is easy.
Me not taking it. Come off from underneath it.
I'm not underneath it.
Look. This baby would have lost funny one thing. Because I'm not taking it apart again.
We have to. Turn.
Flip it up.
Okay, come now. Screw the things down. See, this is not.
You see, because you're holding it, none of these are, see, the bottom, put the bottom down there. Because it doesn't make sense, yes. And try to stabilize this, because this is what the problem is. It's going to crack if it's not, it's too high up. You have to level these things when you're screwing them in, Bree. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Okay, then let's put it back how it was and figure out how we're supposed to do it. Because obviously there's a way. Finish that and then we'll flip it over to the other side.
Yes, okay. Move your, don't press on it. Tell me one, Jacob said this.
Mom, just screw and don't tell me about what to tell the freaking man.
And then which way you're going with it?
We have to go this way now so that that side can be up.
Okay. Just don't put it on the, yeah, just on this. What was that?
This is my nails.
Oh.
And at least when we're screwing on the other side, it can be on flat on this side.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, tightened. It's good. Just
one small one, one big one.
No, it's not showing that.
But that's what it's showing here.
I see that hole, but it is not showing to put a small one in there.
Or maybe the screw.
Yeah, maybe a screw. Pull it this way. This is a lot more sensible. I don't know what the hell is wrong with Ikea.
They leave it so people can't use their common sense.
Yeah, because they don't even have words in the damn. You figure it out, so. Oh, praise God. I have to get the area ready before we get the crib in here.
That's why I mean, I want you to give me care.
Yeah, no, I'm not going anywhere with you today, ma'am.
Oh, well, thank you very much.
Before I have to spend another $700 in damn home sense because I have problems. And you have problems.
I'm not the one. I have no problem. You have problem. Look on your gut.
Excuse me? Look on yours.
I know. And you see me still up your feet. Give me it.
What we're supposed to do?
We're supposed to do what?
They can kiss my ass with the other side. We'll screw it when we get there. I'm not flipping this back over to screw it. To flip it back over to screw it.
What's there over there to screw?
Oh,
really?
Yeah, they're crazy, you know.
I tell us, yeah, man, do it. Did they give you little blackheads or whiteheads to put in here?
No, man. Ikea's not that fancy.
Really?
You must have think this come from Leon's.
Well, because they made the hole so deep, I figured they'd give you coverlets. But then you don't want to pick them out and put them in a note.
Exactly.
I need a screw.
Just take one right from right here, Mom.
All you mind upon that Chanel rug.
Channel? I'll never get another one of these in his tool pan. Tool pan.
Yeah, I think I saw. It's the first Allen key me ever see with a
handle?
Yeah.
I put it together. They made me put it together.
Oh. There's nothing we didn't pick.
Well, when I did the counts, it was one extra for each. But there's so many.
One extra for each one. You got 2 here.
No, yeah, no, one extra for the skinny and one extra for the fat.
Oh.
Because it says you get 20 and 24.
So what happened?
I don't know, but we pegged everything, didn't we?
Yeah.
Alright, flip it over. We have one more tinsy dough. Well, it's sturdy. What is the purpose of those pegs?
What pegs? To hold it in place. Part of the security of the...
Okay, so...
Oh, this is fine. We can put up the bed too. But
which bed? The crib? We can't get that up the stairs unless we open the box downstairs and bring out the pieces. But Jacob needs to be part of that, yeah. So no. I did something wrong. I don't know what it is, but it's too late now. You want to lay down?
And do what?
Right here.
Huh?
Lay down right here and see if it'll hold you.
Why don't you get up there?
I'm pregnant.
Yeah, I may have bad back.
Oh, I messed it up.
You didn't mess up the thing. We had
so
pegs
many extra
here.
pegs.
We had
but I know where I messed up.
You do? Where?
For this top part here
Uh-huh.
is somewhere in here.
Which means you didn't put enough pegs in.
Exactly. That's
too bad. How many pegs did you miss?
4 was.
So
I think I used the skinny peg instead of the fat
yeah,
pegs.
so then, or you use one and not the other because we were thinking I remember screws were going in there. So it would be these 2 pieces.
It's the original, it's number 1 that I put together at the top part.
Where did this go?
That, I think I was putting it in there on that side.
So this is where this go. I'll go under the window, over the window.
It might go under the window, but...
I think change table. What do you put in here?
I'm waiting to see actual organization for when the crib is in here. But this, but the crib's going on this side because when you open the door, you see this side before you see that side.
Oh, and you didn't get a monitor, right?
Oh my god. No, I need to buy one.
Oh, we're
gonna go here with it?
Yeah. And watch my cup. No one dash for that.
Yeah, I know. Don't get me hit the shampoo these dumbass carpets. At least I got my money back. Is there a front and back?
Is there? No. That would be costly.
I kind of want it on an angle, but it's going to take too much space.
For sure. Now we can pack out diaper. No, you can't pack out nothing until you know with all the spaces.
Okay, so there's the changing table. That's all you guys are going to get.
Why is the water bottle on there?
For now. Because it can be. Until we actually get this room organized. It's crunch time though. So there you go. We struggled. We joked. And that's it. And I'll definitely see it in the next one.